Welcome to CCST9068, Artificial Intelligence, Utopia or Dystopia. I'm the course coordinator, Rachel. Here's my contact information. In this course, we will cover three main aspects of AI. We will learn what AI is, how does it affect our lives in different areas like games, healthcare, transportation, laws, insurance, and finance. We will also discuss whether AI is another industrial revolution. By now, I assume that all of you can get into Moodle website, so we will make all the announcements as well as submit our assignments here. Tutorial registration starts on January 20th at 7 p.m. and it will end on February 2nd at 11:55 p.m. Tutorial will start on February the 3rd. You can find the Zoom links on Moodle. Please make sure that you register beforehand. Otherwise, we cannot give you participation marks for the tutorials. There will be no tutorials during the reading week as well as the Chinese New Year. You can find the topics on certain days for tutorials on Moodle. Please know that we are using the University Tutorials sign-up application, so you should be able to find the link in the e-learning tab after you log into HKU Moodle. Here are the time slots for the tutorials. Once again, make sure that you register for the tutorials. There are three assessment components in this course. In-class participation during lectures and tutorials count 40% towards your final grade. You are expected to watch the lecture videos, answer the questions on forum, comment on others' answers, as well as actively participate in the tutorials. A debate, which counts 10% towards your final grade, will be conducted during the tutorials on either April 14 or 15th. A preparation section will be run on March 24 or 25th. Since the debate will be conducted during the tutorial, you will work with your groupmates in the same group. Group project counts 50% towards your final grade. This 50% is divided into three parts: a project plan, an individual essay, and a group presentation. We will go through the project guidelines in Tutorial 3. Make sure you know that attendance does not relate to the course grade, but participation does. So if you sit behind the computer without showing how you engage with the course and your classmates, we cannot give you any marks. Students are required to turn on the camera during the lectures and tutorials. You can of course have fancy Zoom backgrounds. So let's start our first participation activity today. Will AI become the dominant working force? Please watch the video of Alibaba's Smart Warehouse. The link of the video has already been uploaded to Moodle. If you're interested in how and why robots are empowered by AI, you can also read the article which has also been uploaded to Moodle. What you're going to do is, in the forum, first introduce yourself including your name, your major, and your year. Then choose an occupation and discuss whether AI will become the dominant working force in this area. You can also forecast the future trend of this occupation and construct a timeline of how this occupation will evolve. For example, as illustrated in the Alibaba warehouse video, we know that porter, or people who carry objects or cargoes, can be replaced by robots. I hope that you can work on this discussion not using internet. You don't want to be replaced by Google or a search engine, right? Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on everyone's discussion forum. Please also follow our course Instagram at CCST9068. Thank you.